Daddy and I are going to open bunch of balloons. 40 balloons in 40 seconds. I also got this extra pack with white balloons, golden balloons, and these. See it?
And here we have some purple balloons, and over there you can see that it can be blown 8, 16 or 32 balloons at a time.
Here's the back. Instructions. You can blow your pool stuff. And how to blow the balloons.
A lot of balloons at one time.
Yep. I can't wait to open it. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Ooh, so excited.
Can I help you with the opening?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start at this side.
Okay.
And you can pull the machine out.
There's a cartoon. There. Oh.
Should we remove the cardboard?
I think we need to cut this piece for this piece to come out.
We'll try it like this.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's going very hard.
Oh, come on out. But how will we get the balloons out now? I see the little ribbons right there. Here are the ribbons. See the little ribbon?
Okay, we'll try to open them. Oh, it's going.
It's going, yeah.
Up. Great.
Oh, I see a hole. Look at this. So small.
Oh,
Skinny.
we have the accessories.
Yep. How do we get the balloons out now?
For the air mattress and the other balloons.
Air mattress.
Look at them.
Whoa.
So not only balloons can be blown very quickly. Let's try it.
Okay. But first these hose.
Okay, well, for the start, we...
And so pink. I have a pink nose. I have a pink nose.
Okay, they're out.
They're out.
Shall we pull them out?
We should pull them out all. Oh my god! Look at all these ribbons! Ah, ribbon party! Ribbon party!
It's so great.
Ribbon party!
But you know what? I think we will need some electricity.
Yep.
Okay, let's...
There's a paper.
Okay,
There's instructions.
let's unpack the bottom part.
Oh, I see the wires.
Oh, and
Guys.
a hose. Hose is here also.
Wait.
Oh, it's out.
Paper! Let's see what this paper says. Okay.
We have
Okay,
one
let's look through
accessory.
this paper. Oh my gosh. Look at this!
It's all the instructions
And
for all
this
the
side.
balloons.
Daddy, read instructions.
I will later. I'm not a pretty big fan of instructions, you know.
Okay.
Just like you.
I'm not a fan of instructions too.
Okay, we can plug
Wire?
this in.
Oh, here's tape.
Tape can stay.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter
Here's
for
some-
a green
Here
tape.
is some tape that it's holding the wire, so it's not important. Ah. Okay.
Look at these balloons. It looks like a little grape.
Look.
Crazy hair, crazy hair, crazy hair, crazy hair, crazy hair. Woo!
Look here. Look here. We have this arrow, and here we can choose whether we want to blow 8 balloons,
16
16 of them,
or 32.
or a bunch of 32. We will choose 8 for now, and it will be great. Okay, let's take our first bunch of balloons. Let's see if it works.
Oh my gosh! I got scared.
It sounds like a vacuum cleaner.
Yep.
Okay.
Put them in there.
Put them in there. Nice and tight. Okay, I will hold it. Will you press?
The button.
Will you press the button?
Yep.
Okay.
Press the button.
Wow! Look at them go!
Look at them grow! Wow! Is it enough? Oh my god! Oh my god! They're so big! I think this is enough. Look
Okay.
at them! So huge.
They can be bigger. It's a nice bunch, and it is.
Let me
it is
hold
done.
it. Let me hold it. Wait. Look at us!
You know what is the great thing about them?
What?
You don't have to tie them up, and
Yeah.
if they blow down, you can just blow them up with no problem. Okay, it's great. Shall we try these other accessories now?
Yep. We should.
Okay. Here,
What are these?
these are different accessories for
Oh, yeah.
different balloons
Oh no.
or something we need to blow up. So we have this accessory which goes on the top of the 16, and we can add the hose
Hose.
and we have these accessories. For example, this one. With this one we could blow other balloons that are not from Bunch of Balloons. And it would be great because you don't have to blow them up manually. I think this is a great device.
Yep.
We will have so much fun with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
It is so great.
Now let's open these up.
Okay.
We need scissors to cut these.
Okay. Mr. Scissors.
Mr. Scissors.
Okay, let's cut this off.
Hi, Mr. Scissors.
Watch the balloons. Okay.
Let me.
It is so simple. Will you try it by yourself now?
Oh yeah. Whoa!
Wow.
There's another accessory. This is for one of the eights,
And,
like this.
and this is a small plug, but we do not yet know what is it for.
I need to separate these. There are the whites. Oh,
Okay,
They're
give me
so-
one bunch.
yeah, I give you the white one.
Okay.
Okay, I will stay with my white bunch and you give the black bunch.
Okay.
Look at them, they're so tiny. Tiny.
You know, you can blow these balloons with helium also. They are so universal. Okay. Will you try to blow them up
Okay.
by yourself?
Yep. I'm totally sure.
But you have to do something.
What?
You have to put them on the arrow.
What?
Now they can go.
Say when it's enough. Because I
I think that's enough.
Look at his gun.
Now we have white bunch also.
I had a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it and make sure to subscribe and leave a like.